What's up, everybody? Saturday morning, almost noon, going out for a trip out to High River in kind of unrelated to bike world. Selling off one of my lease vehicles. So I've got two cars, so we're going to sell one car and do a ride back from High River. Gonna see what kind of route we can come up with. Probably ride about 70K, and that should be the biggest ride for, well, for a couple of years, honestly. Getting prepped for a little divide trip coming up, so 70K or bust. Here we go. Here we go. Actually forgot to catch myself on the start. I'm about 45 minutes in. Gone about 25 kilometers. It's a pretty good pace. Just bombing down the highway, huge shoulder. Making good time. You can hear the traffic, Saturday traffic. But I've been climbing for almost 10 kilometers. Thankfully the cars give me a little bit of wind drag. A little bit downhill, let's go. That's one messy bit of highway. The highway splits in two and goes to about 6 lanes across. So I had to dodge over across the highway because I'm turning left up here. Huge downhill, let's go. Whew. Made it to the city, hour and 14 minutes. And that was about 33 kilometers, that's pretty good. City life. Woo. 61K. Woo! What a ride. So goal today, when I checked out the map for how far I was riding from High River to Calgary, Google said 66 kilometers, but that would have been if I went all the way downtown. So went all the way down Highway 2, then went west around the ring road, and by the time I got back to my house, I was only at about 55K. So did 10 more K to the water.